The ES tends to fly under the radar, yet it boasts an impressive legacy. Now, in its 7th generation, the ES has enjoyed a decades-long production run. In that time, it earned a reputation as a dependable, straightforward, and relatively affordable choice among luxury mid-size sedans. Its rivals include prestigious models such as the Audi A6, BMW 5 Series, and Mercedes-Benz E-Class. When it comes to exterior design, the 2025 Lexus ES will continue to have the same look as the current mid-size sedan that's on sale. Lexus has brought back the Blackline Special Edition package for the 2025 model year after a 4-year hiatus. The package includes a black spoiler, a black lower rocker panel, and obsidian outer mirrors. Exterior colors are limited to iridium, cloudburst gray, obsidian, caviar, matador red mica, and ultra white with the package. Inside the cabin, spacious seats and premium materials accompany a high-quality feel. Although the ES's base infotainment touchscreen is small, the optional unit is sufficiently large, and both work well enough to get the job done. Lexus offers the 2025 ES with gas-powered and hybrid engines. The base ES 250 comes with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that makes 203 horsepower and 182 pound-feet of torque. The ES 350 features a 3.5-liter V6 engine that produces 302 horsepower and 267 pound-feet of torque. All-wheel drive is standard and front-wheel drive is available. An 8-speed automatic transmission is standard.